Hey there, welcome to Abhay Reviews. My name is Abhay. I'm a digital marketer. In this video, I do daily reviews of upcoming softwares and courses so that you guys can get best deals on them. In this video, I will be showing you real-time demo of this software. Also during the review, if you want to check the software, there's a link in my description as well as in the comment section. Go there, check it out. I have got a ton of bonuses for you that you guys will be getting if you purchase through my link. All the details of OTOs and upsells are present in the description. You can check it out too. But before that, I suggest you watch this first.
Hi, and welcome to this demo of Pro eCom. With Pro eCom, you can quickly build a profitable Amazon associate store to start collecting those big affiliate checks from the biggest online store in the world. Or simply set up your own e-commerce store with the power of AI and your voice. Click here to set up your own free Amazon affiliates account. Then add the products you want to earn within your store. Let's set up a new product. How about a nice sun hat to wear to the beach for vacation? Click here to use the AI and your voice to make it all happen. Click on product name to see if we can get a more creative name. I click on the microphone and say sun hat and get some suggestions. Next, I want a description, so I'm going to click here. Then click the mic and say, give me a great description for a hat to wear in the sun. Then click Get Results. Now I need an image. Click the mic and say, give me a great image for a sun hat. Click Download. I'm going to leave that there for a moment. Now that I have my product created with the power of AI and my voice, I'm going to add it to the store. Click on Products, then All Products, then Add New. And now we add our title, our price, our sale price if we want, and our SKU. Now save. Then scroll down to the bottom and click the Publish switch to On. Then click on Images and go back to the image the AI got for us and drag it onto the Upload box and boom! Now click on the Your Website button and there's all your products. Now to get some customers. Click on Social Traffic and share your store and specials on any or all of the dozens of social media platforms. And soon you'll have plenty of paying customers visiting your store excited to buy. That's how simple it is to use the power of AI and your voice to create a store to earn with Amazon products with Pro eCom.